Imagine waking up every morning feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to conquer the world. What if I told you that the secret to transforming your body, to regaining the strength you thought was gone, lies in simple habits? Habits that you can start incorporating today, no matter your age. It's not too late. You can reclaim your body, build muscle, and feel empowered again. And the best part, you don't have to spend hours in the gym or follow complicated diets. Today, I'll reveal the 10 daily habits that will accelerate your muscle gain, even after 40. As we age, many men feel their strength fading, their energy diminishing, and their bodies becoming harder to transform. But here's the truth. It's not your age that holds you back. It's your habits. When you learn how to harness the right daily habits, you'll reignite your body's muscle-building potential, and the results will surprise you. Muscle gain after 40 doesn't have to be a distant dream. By simply making the right choices every day, you can experience remarkable changes. Let's explore the habits that can bring your transformation to life. You've heard about the importance of protein, but here's a game-changing habit that many neglect: eating a protein-rich meal before bed. During sleep, your body enters a fasting state, which can lead to muscle breakdown. But by eating 30 to 40 grams of slow-digesting protein before bed, like cottage cheese or a casein shake, you provide your muscles with the nutrients they need to rebuild and grow while you sleep. This simple habit not only supports muscle recovery, but helps you wake up feeling stronger and ready to tackle the day. Studies show that consuming protein before sleep enhances muscle protein synthesis, promotes better recovery, and increases your metabolic rate. And don't combine your protein with sugary carbs, as that can spike insulin levels and disrupt sleep. Keep it simple: protein and a small amount of healthy fats, like nuts, for a truly restful night. You don't need to spend hours doing isolated exercises. Instead, focus on compound movements. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups should be the foundation of your workouts. These exercises recruit multiple muscle groups at once, triggering a massive hormonal response that accelerates muscle growth. When you squat, you're not just working your legs, you're engaging your core, glutes, and even stabilizing muscles in your upper body. The beauty of compound exercises is that they deliver more results in less time. They are the most efficient way to build strength and muscle, and they enhance your functional fitness, preparing your body for real-world movements. Fill your workout routine with these powerful exercises and watch your muscles grow faster. Progress in the gym isn't just about pushing yourself harder every week. Every 4 to 6 weeks, incorporate a deload week, where you reduce the intensity or volume of your workouts by 40 to 60%. This isn't a sign of weakness, rather it's a strategy for long-term success. By allowing your muscles, joints, and central nervous system to recover, you prevent burnout and overtraining, which could lead to injury or stagnation. During your deload week, cut back on weight or volume, but still keep your body moving. This recovery phase allows you to come back stronger and more prepared to take on the next training cycle. Vitamin D is often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in muscle function and recovery. Inadequate levels of vitamin D are associated with lower muscle strength and slower recovery times. This powerful vitamin helps regulate muscle protein synthesis and promotes healthy bone density, both crucial for muscle building. Spend 15 to 20 minutes in the sun each day to optimize your vitamin D levels. If you live in an area with limited sunlight, consider a supplement. Don't let a deficiency hinder your progress. Keep your vitamin D levels in check for maximum results. Stretching is often viewed as optional, but it's actually a vital part of your workout routine, especially as you age. Post-workout stretching restores normal muscle length, reduces tension, and improves flexibility. This makes your muscles more resilient and less prone to injury. Stretching also improves blood circulation, which helps remove metabolic waste from your muscles and accelerates recovery. After each workout, dedicate 10 to 15 minutes to stretch the muscles you've worked. This simple habit will make you feel more limber and ready for the next session. Stretching is the key to maintaining long-term mobility and flexibility, helping you keep training without pain or restriction. Cold therapy has been shown to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, speeding up the recovery process. After an intense workout, a cold shower can help minimize swelling and accelerate the removal of metabolic waste from your muscles. Cold exposure boosts circulation and brings more nutrients to your muscles for repair. While it's important to wait a few hours after your workout to take the cold shower so you don't disrupt the inflammatory response necessary for muscle growth, this habit can work wonders for recovery, especially if you train multiple times a week. Start with warm water and gradually lower the temperature, making the cold exposure more tolerable over time. What good is eating the right food if your body can't absorb it properly? Digestion begins in your mouth, and chewing your food thoroughly plays a crucial role in muscle growth. When you chew well, you break down food into smaller particles, which allows your digestive system to absorb more nutrients efficiently. This is particularly important for men over 40 who may have a slower metabolism. Slow down, chew each bite 20 to 30 times, and give your body the chance to fully digest and absorb those vital nutrients. This simple change will help you get the most out of every meal and ensure that your muscles are getting all the amino acids they need. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery. These powerful fats help balance the body's inflammatory response, ensuring that your muscles recover efficiently after intense workouts. Omega-3 also supports protein synthesis, which is key to muscle growth. Include fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or tuna in your diet, or consider supplementing with high-quality fish oil. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 will keep your joints healthy and your recovery time short, so you can continue training hard and building muscle. Sleep is your body's time to recover and grow, but it's not just about how many hours you sleep, it's about the quality of your sleep. Establish a healthy sleep routine by keeping your room dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid eating heavy meals late at night, and stay away from screens at least an hour before bed to prevent blue light from disrupting your melatonin production. High-quality sleep boosts growth hormone levels, allowing for better muscle repair and growth. Focus on getting 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Your body needs it to regenerate, and your muscles need it to grow. Muscle growth requires constant challenge. Gradually increasing the weight you lift is essential for making continuous progress. This process, known as load progression, ensures that your muscles are always adapting to new levels of stress. Whether it's adding more weight, increasing the number of reps, or reducing rest time, make sure you're consistently pushing your limits. Progression is the key to avoiding plateaus and continuing to build muscle. Be patient and strategic about your progress. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Creatine is one of the most well-researched supplements in bodybuilding, and it's especially beneficial for men over 40. Creatine increases your muscles' phosphocreatine stores, which provides energy for high-intensity training. This means more reps, more sets, and ultimately more muscle growth. Studies have shown that creatine can help men gain 2 to 4 pounds of lean mass in the first few weeks of use and increase strength by 5 to 15%. It's safe, effective, and one of the simplest ways to enhance your muscle building potential. These 10 daily habits aren't just about looking good. They're about feeling strong, healthy, and empowered, no matter your age. Remember, muscle gain isn't about pushing yourself to the brink every day. It's about consistency, strategy, and recovery. As a man over 40, your body is more than capable of building muscle. You just need to give it the right tools. Start incorporating these habits into your daily routine and watch as your body transforms. Age is just a number, but your commitment to these habits will create lasting results. Take charge of your health today and embrace the power of muscle growth. The journey to a stronger you begins now. If you're ready to transform your body and take control of your health, it starts with these habits. Don't wait any longer. Start today and experience the power of consistent action. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more science-backed tips, motivation, and strategies to help you build strength and live a healthier, more energetic life. Drop a comment below, sharing your biggest muscle building goal, and let us know where you're tuning in from. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on empowering content that will fuel your journey. You have the power to change. Let's make it happen together.